Okay, one more video today. So I totally got confused and thought that I had already made this video, and apparently I didn't. So I'm going to do this video to show you why I'm doing the portfolio tutorials that I'm doing. So there you go. So this is a folio that I made. I actually did do a tutorial on how I made the base of it, but I never did like a run through of a book that I made with it. So I'm doing it kind of backwards. I'm doing the here's what I made, and then I'm so confused. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's get started. Okay, so this is a folio I made. I'm currently doing a tutorial series on how I made it. So this is by Graphic 45, Home Sweet Home, and I just wanted to show you what I did. Flowers and bling all over the place. I took this card and or sticker and backed it, and then these little cut-aparts were in there, and I created little, they look like magazines, so why not make magazines? So I did that on the front cover, so the front cover is interactive. In my videos, I'm showing you how to do the keyhole ribbon closure. And when you open this up, this thing's huge. It's 8.5 by 11. The pages are like 7.5 by 10, I believe. But when you open it up, nice place for pictures. Kept it kind of simple on that. When you open it up, let's see, can you see? I don't know if you can see it, but on the bottom here is a pocket where I put a bunch of pieces of the cardstock or the pattern paper that had some really cool little deals on it. So I just kind of filled it full of those. This is actually supposed to be closed with a nice little bow, but it's a tag closure. And when you open it up, there's cards that are held in place by belly bands for lots of pictures. And then when you open the page, it opens like this first. And in here, you have two different things. You have a magnet closure, tag, nice photo spot, and then you have a little pocket here. Make sure I'm in, yeah, I am. Where I made these little cards that come out of the pocket here. And then there's a pocket on the back of this page. They have the cutest little recipe cards in this collection. I just love it. So that closes with a magnet closure, and then I have a little slide, kind of like those file folder slide things that you use to put in. You've seen them a million times in file folders where they have that little slider thing. Well, this is kind of the same thing. And so then that opens up, and then there is a waterfall. Okay, and then what I did was I glued it in such a way where it actually is open on both sides so that it's not all the way through. So you can put, there was a lot of these little 3x4 cards to stick behind there. So that's that particular page, and then that, of course, ties up. And then when you open it this way, then this one here is one of my never-ending mini album things that I used to do. I've done a lot of these on my blog a while ago, and I thought this would be kind of a cute addition to the page. It gives you lots of room to put lots of pictures. And it just kind of keeps going. If you use this piece alone as an album, it just kind of keeps turning and turning and turning. It's kind of like one of those never-ending cards. It just kind of keeps going. So on this page, there is a pocket page here, and then it opens, and then there's tabs that go up and down. There's a pocket here, and I filled it full of all kinds of really fun stuff. This whole thing is closed with a magnet closure. And then under here, it's adhered under here, so it's a big belly band, and I just made room for some more photo opportunities. Okay, and that closes like that, and then it turns, and you can see there's lots of elements, and the whole thing, the whole base of this is only made out of 4 pieces of cardstock, but with all the additions that you put on it, you get lots of real estate. This page is held together with a magnet from here. This is glued down on 3 sides, so you can put another tag there. And then it opens up into a kind of a gatefold kind of thing with pockets. I had these ginormous tags in my stash, so I decided this would be the perfect opportunity to use those up. So I put those in there. And then I also used them because what I did was I did another waterfall here that opens to the side, but I adhered it in such a way so it made a pocket. And then there's another pocket, a giant pocket behind. Then this page here, which I failed to create the tags. Let me see, I'm going to borrow this one. So this is a belly band closure, again with another magnet, okay? And it opens up for this trifold piece here, which is great. But in addition to this, it is supposed to have photo mats in it. And I'll just show you. The photo mat goes into the belly band. So this technically should have a photo mat here and a photo mat here. And then you open those up and then you get this. I forgot to make the photo mats for that. So I'm going to do that. But they're just not here yet. So then this page turns. And this is just a simple pocket with a couple extra pieces of the collection with photo opportunities. And then back here is the binding, which also creates the pocket, which you can put more tags in. So this is my folio book that I created, and I'm doing some tutorials on how to put it all together. It makes a very large album, and it's very thick. It's pretty heavy, and you could do a lot with it. So that's a quick run through of my album, and I hope to see you watching the tutorials here pretty soon. They're uploading as we speak. Have a good day.